Do you ever wake up already feeling tired? Even before the day has a chance to begin? Your alarm goes off. You reach for your phone. You tell yourself, just a quick check. But that one quick check turns into scrolling through social media, then emails, then news headlines. And suddenly, you're fully awake, but your mind feels heavy, cluttered, and already behind. Here's a truth that nobody really talks about. Most bad days don't just happen. They don't start in the afternoon when things go wrong. They start in the first few minutes after you wake up. And there's one incredibly common morning mistake that quietly ruins the rest of your day without you even realizing it. For a long time, I struggled with this myself. I thought I just had bad focus. I'd sit down to work and my mind would be all over the place. I blamed myself. I thought I wasn't motivated enough. I blamed a lack of discipline. I tried all the productivity hacks, the to-do lists, the scheduling apps, but nothing really changed. The feeling of being overwhelmed and scattered just kept coming back, day after day. Because the problem wasn't my workload, it wasn't my goals. It was how I was starting my mornings completely on autopilot. Every single day I was making the same mistake. And that mistake is deceptively simple. It's letting your phone be the very first thing you touch. Think about it. Before your feet even hit the floor, you're flooded with information. Messages from friends, posts from people you follow, urgent-sounding emails from your boss, breaking news alerts. Before you've even had a chance to connect with yourself, your brain is already reacting. It's reacting to other people's problems. It's reacting to other people's opinions. It's reacting to other people's perfectly curated lives. You start your day in reaction mode, not in control mode. And once that happens, the rest of the day feels like you're constantly trying to catch up. It feels rushed, scattered, and heavy. It's like you're a passenger in your own day instead of the driver. Here's the science behind it. Your brain is most receptive and suggestible in the moments right after you wake up. You're in a state between sleep and full wakefulness, and whatever you feed your mind first sets the emotional tone for everything that follows. If the first thing you see is a stressful work email, you start the day feeling anxious and behind. If the first thing you see is someone's vacation photos on social media, you start the day with a feeling of comparison and inadequacy. If the first thing you see is chaotic news, your mind starts the day feeling unsettled and worried. This is why even simple tasks can feel exhausting later on. It's not because you're lazy, and it's not because you lack willpower. It's because your mind never got a chance to have a calm, intentional start. You began the day with a deficit of peace and focus, and you spend the rest of your energy just trying to get back to zero. So here's what finally worked for me, and it's something you can try tomorrow. I made a simple rule. I stopped letting the outside world speak first. No phone, no notifications, no scrolling. I decided to give myself the first 20 minutes of the day. And this wasn't about being productive. It wasn't about meditating for an hour or having a perfect, elaborate routine. It was simply about being present. That small, intentional pause changed everything for me. My new routine isn't complicated at all. I wake up, I sit up in bed. I take a few slow, deep breaths, just noticing the air filling my lungs. I get up and drink a glass of water. I might do a simple stretch for a minute or two, just to wake my body up. Then, I ask myself one simple question. What is the one thing that truly matters today? Not 10 tasks. It's not a full, detailed plan for the next 16 hours. Just one single, clear direction. One priority. It could be finishing a report, having a meaningful conversation with a loved one, or just making time for a walk. This helps me set my own compass for the day. Only after I've done that, only after I've set my own intention, do I check my phone. And by then, the dynamic has completely changed. I'm no longer reacting to the world. I'm engaging with it on my own terms. It's a powerful shift from being pulled in a million directions to choosing your own. You're telling your brain, I decide how today starts. I am in charge. The best part is, you don't need a surge of motivation for this. You don't need superhuman discipline. You just need to create a new habit of protecting the first few moments of your day. It's about creating a small buffer between you and the noise of the world. Small changes in the morning create massive shifts in the rest of your day. Your focus improves. Your mood is more stable. You feel more in control. So here's the key takeaway. The morning mistake is giving your attention away before you've even given it to yourself. The fix is simple. Delay the noise. Create a moment of calm. Start your day on your own terms. I want you to try this tomorrow morning, just for one day. When you wake up, resist the urge to grab your phone. Give yourself 20 minutes. Stretch, breathe, drink some water, and set one intention. Then see how different the rest of your day feels. One small change, one better morning. It's how better days and ultimately a better life are built. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.